Can you read again?
I
Well done. Can you go on? You can choose which one you like. Well done.
like
Very good.
chicken.
Well done. Very good. Can you read again?
I like chicken.
Well done. Very good. Very good. You can say I don't. Can you read?
I don't.
No. I don't like which one. Chicken, cake, pizza, chicken. Well, can you read again? Well, okay. And what's that? Which one? Pizza, cake. Can I help? Well, can you read again? Well done. You can say
I go to park.
two down. We have broken. Can you read again?
I go to the park.
Well done, Charles. Thank you so much. Well done. Okay, well. Well done. Can you read again?
The pizza is hot.
Well done. Very good. Thank you so much. That was good. Yes, are you ready? Yalla, stop. Suleyman. Can you read? Well done. Can you read again? Well done.